Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel bhuvanaskitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some quick and interesting recipes. First, I'll be sharing with you a blueberry muffin recipe and then a strawberry lemonade recipe and some new additions to my kitchen cookware and a quick glance of what I prepared for the lunch. For preparing the blueberry muffin, add 1 egg to a glass bowl. And half a cup of sugar and quarter teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of oil and add 1/4 cup of milk. Now whisk this well until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can also use a blender. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve it well. We do this to make sure there are no lumps formed when we are preparing the muffin. Now add 150 gram of blueberries and mix it well. The batter should be of this consistency for the muffin. Now I am lining up my muffin tray with some silicone mold. Now use a ice cream scoop and fill the silicone cups. The measurements which I have mentioned will lead you around 7 muffins. Now I am going to bake this in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes in 185 degrees Celsius. After baking for 20 to 25 minutes, you can insert a toothpick and check if the muffins are cooked well. If the toothpick comes out clean and the muffins are done. Now I am going to let the muffin rest to room temperature. Now I am going to unmold the silicone cups and show you if the muffins are cooked well. Now you can see how the muffins are well cooked, soft and fluffy. It's so soft and fluffy and it's perfectly cooked at the bottom as well. So our delicious blueberry muffin is ready to go. Next I am going to prepare some strawberry lemonade, for which I am using around 8 strawberries. Add it in a mixie jar and blend it to a smooth paste. In a glass jar, squeeze half of a lemon juice. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well until the sugar dissolves. Alternatively, you can also use honey. You can also prepare a sugar syrup, but it is little time consuming. Now add few ice cubes to the glass jar. And add the blended strawberry. Now add some ice cold water. Now it's time to garnish. Garnish it with some lemon slice and some mint leaves, and finally a small piece of strawberry on top of the glass jar. Now our delicious strawberry lemonade is ready. I'm going to quickly share with you my new addition to my kitchen cookware. This is Jamie Oliver's cooking pot, which I bought recently in a very good offer price. So the Jamie Oliver cooking brand is very good. I've already started to use this quite a few times and it's perfectly fine. It's quite a big cooking pot. The size is 6.7 liter. I actually bought this because when there is some guest at home, I needed some big pot. So that's the reason I bought, and it's very heavy and sturdy. The quality is excellent. The actual price of the Jamie Oliver cooking pot is like 5,800 rupees in Indian money. But I got this in offer price for like around 150 kron, which is like 1,500 rupees. So that was a good deal. I have even some smaller cooking pots like this, which is more expensive than this. Because of this offer, I could get it for a great price deal. The next addition to my kitchen is this new baking pan. Already I have cake pans, but it's quite big size, like 24 centimeter and 26 centimeter. I did not have a small pan yet, so I bought this one. The main purpose why I bought this was I am planning to bake lot of cake with using pressure cooker without oven. So that was some request, for which I needed some small cake pan. I love the color. The color is like a little bit of brown shade. The color is pretty awesome, and the price of this is like 70 Danish krone, which is approximately equal to 700 rupees. Now I am going to quickly show you a glance of what I cooked for lunch today. So I just prepared some beans puriyal. For this I did not use any ready-made masala. I prepared this using some fresh masalas. I did not include the recipe in this video. Maybe I'll make a separate video on South Indian lunch menu. This is a curry which is made using eggplant. Prepared this for the rice. And rice I usually don't use pressure cooker. I just boil the rice. So that's what I prepared for my lunch. Now we are almost at the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. See you all soon with another interesting video. Thanks for watching.